Nusa Dua, especially we are in Bali collection. We will see how it is the situation right now. The collection is the biggest shopping center in the complex of Nusa Dua. Let's see.
Alright, good morning. So like Winnie said, we are in Nusa Dua now in Bali collection. However, everything is completely closed, as you can see around. But I didn't have a coffee yet, you know, guys. And over there is the Starbucks, and so we realized the coffee shops, and it's all closed.
There are many restaurants here and shopping centers. Actually, we want to buy, coffee. Even this one, coffee shop here is still closed.
Yeah, but anyway, we will show you guys around as Nusa Dua is very closed. I mean, the Bali collection, which is the shopping mall in Nusa Dua, is totally closed. It's nothing open already for 4 months, and only few hotels are open in Nusa Dua. So maybe we will go to one hotel and have a coffee out there. Starbucks closed. Anything open, Sayang?
No, Starbucks is closed actually.
Everything is closed.
Let's go home then.
Let's go to the, not home, let's find a different place. So we are now in the Novotel Nusa Dua, and we will see around how it is, and of course morning coffee.
Yeah.
And
We'll chill out here.
we will chill out here for a while, and as you see, Nusa Dua is very quiet. Almost everything is closed out there. Shopping mall is closed, so that's how it is in Nusa Dua. As you can see, it's nobody here. I mean, some were here, but it's like 5 people maybe, and you can feel here like you have your resort just for yourself, something like that. Yes, Sayang?
Yes. Alright. I'm ready. Let's explore more about how it is the place.
We will show you the place little bit around, and we will try to go to the beach if it's possible, of course. Okay, this is our cabana and as you can see we are walking now in the object of the hotel, and it's so quiet, like nobody here, almost nobody. I can't say as nobody here, but almost nobody. We will see around. So do you have any problems, Ayang?
Well, actually this is a huge resort, and then I was just finding out the way to go to the beach and we got lost.
And it's really quiet. I know I said already many times, but it's like little bit weird feeling when you always somewhere and there's so many people, and now you are walking and it's like completely nobody out here, right, Sayan?
Yeah.
So hot lah.
Alright, so we just come from the beach, and then the beach is closed. And
Yeah.
many security there, and many pecalang there, and then you are not allowed to take a picture or not allowed to take a video.
Yeah, the Nusa Dua, actually especially this area, Nusa Dua, is very strict and very closed area, only for resorts. So the plan for the rest of the day is for me editing the video, for Winnie working, right?
Yeah.
And playing in the pool and have a coffee and maybe some lunch or something, that's it.
And chill out by the pool actually.
Alright. So as you can see, you can come to the hotel like this one, enjoy the pool and everything, and do the job on the laptops, and it's so quiet, so peaceful, pool, atmosphere, almost nobody here. Oh, Winnie is walking, so it's also cool. Yes, Sayang?
Yes, so this is a perfect place where you wanna have a chill out, you know, and working at the same time, and they also have a quite speed internet.
That's the most important thing, you know, guys, when I upload the video for you. The internet is sometimes it's the really huge struggle in Bali, you know, but here is good, so will be video for today. We got our lunch, and my brother will say I have a sandwich again. that's what I can say, but we need to have a proper food, so
Come, let's see how my nasi is. This is the fried rice, my favorite one. So good.
okay.
That's it then. Alright, so I think that's all, yeah, for today. And we already tired actually. I already finished my work also. And now let's go home.
And that's it, that will be enough for today's vlog. We show you how it looks in Nusa Dua today, and how's the resorts in Nusa Dua. Just one for example, actually this one is open. And like always, new vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali time. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you tomorrow.